can't see it being the most exciting journey in the world. Good morning, everybody. We are leaving Fort William. We call it the mid-city.
It's not been that bad.
I've got a few bites though, like 4 bites of my arm. Probably won't do too much videoing. I can't see it being the most exciting journey in the world.
If we see anything, then I'll film it. But at the moment, all we've got is just this. It's just not very exciting.
We are going via Roy's grave, so we might get a video of that. Apparently the A83 is closed. If it's closed, we're going straight to Troon. If it's not closed, then we'll try and pop into Bob Roy's grave. Well, not actually pop into his grave.
Just knock on the door for a cup of tea. Excuse me, Rob, can we have a cup of tea, please?
So we'll probably see you later. That's pretty marvellous.
Preempting.
Rob Roy's final resting place. Today we're diving into the life of one of Scotland's most legendary outlaws, Rob Roy McGregor. You've probably heard the name. Before he was a legend, he worked as a cattle drover, basically herding and trading cattle across the Highlands. But after a deal went wrong and he was declared an outlaw, Rob Roy didn't back down. He started raiding the rich, helping the poor, and standing up to powerful landlords. That's why people called him the Scottish Robin Hood. Back in the 1600s, the British Crown banned the McGregor name. Rob Roy died in 1734. He's buried here, and his grave boldly reads, "McGregor despite them." It's a powerful reminder of how proud he was of his name, even when the world tried to take it from him. His story was so legendary that Sir Walter Scott wrote a novel about him in 1817, and even Hollywood couldn't resist. He was brought to life on screen in 1995 in a film starring Liam Neeson.
Come, your lordship. Give the devil some work. You've done enough for one day.
So we decided to branch out on this unexpected journey. We found this lovely Loch Katrine. It's where Rob Roy was born, somewhere at the top of the loch. We're at the bottom of the loch here. And we're going to go on one of the boats. I don't think it's this boat, but it's from this pier number 2. So we're going to have a little tour around here. It's a 45-minute tour and see what's on the lake. Let's have a look at the map, shall we? So we're down here. And I think we're going to go on the... Oh, this is the walking thing, isn't it? I think it goes somewhere towards the middle and then back again.
Yeah, we're just doing a little one around here.
This is where Rob Roy was born. Glencoe.
There is a steamship called Sir Walter Scott that does like a big thing, but we're not at the right time for the steamship.
Anyway, it's quite nice here. Enjoying a can of Coke, can of Can't. Flexible kind of pier. Get some food in here. Get a little glass of whiskey if you want. Do you want a blanket?
Hopefully I'll be alright.
Yeah.
I'll snuggle into you if not.
Now this not to manage the one-handed wave, and yet to get the two-handed and the jumping up and down wave.